good morning guys. Good morning pa ba? No, tanghali na, 12:43. Dito pala ako sa town, katapos ko lang bilhin yung mga kakailanganin ko para sa birthday celebration ni Holly, which is bukas. And hindi alam ni Holly, binilang ko siya ng cake. So first time kong bumili ng cake, kasi 'di ba ako lagi ang gumagawa ng cake nila. So for 14 years, this is our first time na bumili ng cake. Binili ko to sa Sugars and Spice. Meron silang ready-made na cake. And ito yung napili ko kasi yung ibang cake is chocolate. And then black forest. Yung pinili natin ay, ayan, girly-girly lang. Ano siya, vanilla sponge na merong strawberry jam na not frosting. Vanilla tong frosting. Tapos meron siyang strawberry jam sa yung filling niya. So, yan yung cake ni Holly for tomorrow. So, uwi na ako kasi gagawin pa namin ni Holly yung kanyang loot bags. Alright. And, duman ulit pala ako dito sa Area 51 just to confirm yung party ni Holly. So, 11 to 1:30 siya bukas. Room number 2 siya. So, pwede akong maaga bukas. And ako pala yung mag-aano ng balloons. Pero hindi naman ganun karami. So, ako lang magpa-pump. And bawal kasi mag-stick sa wall ng mga balloons. So, yeah. We'll see kung anong magagawa ko bukas. So, maaga ako dito bukas. But, now, uwi na tayo. And, medyo okay ko na ako ngayon. And, may sakit ako for how many days. Kung maalala nyo yun, nung grand final, sila kuya, tsaka si TJ, si Holly yung may mga sakit. After 2 days ako naman, and medyo okay na ako. Si Jang kahapon. Ayun. Ano na siya, paos, sipon, umuubo. So, nagkakahawaan kami. Hopefully, maging better na si Johnny Boy. Alright, uwi na ako guys. See you sa bahay. I know! Ay, ala, parang ang laki ng mukha natin. Or malaki na talaga mukha ko. Oh. Yes. Wala si Jan tsaka yung dalawang bata, si Holly tsaka si Sak, nandun kila Joe. Kasi today is grand final. Dapat sana Saturday yung ni Holly, yung birthday celebration niya. Eto dapat. Kaso nga, change namin kasi nga grand final. So ngayon wala sila dito. Si Kuya lang nandito. Ibaba lang namin yung groceries. Si Snoop Dogg yung nag-perform. Opening. Is it Geelong versus Brisbane? For grand final, Kuya? Yep. Alright guys, hintayin ko pa si Holly. Kasi...
Oh no, I don't do it on me.
Oh. Thanks, Kuya. Duman pa lang sa KFC. Bumili ako yung crispy spicy chicken.
Thank you.
Ayan. Ito yung binili ko sa Woolies. Dadalhin natin to. Gagawa sana ako ng puto, pero sabi ko, wag na, kasi hindi naman mga Filipino yung bisita ni Holly. But si Holly kasi gusto niyang puto. So, yan na lang ang binili natin. And bumili ako ng fruits. Plano kong magdala ng fruits. Yung mixed fruits ba? Ayan. Walang, yung grapes sana, bibili sana ako ng grapes. Kaso, ang lambot. So, berries na lang. And then, kiwi, may apples. And bumili ako ng steak for tonight or for tomorrow. Depende kung magpipizza kami tonight. Not sure. Asparagus, butter, and cream. So, yan lang naman binili ko kay Holly. And, bumili ako dito. Nasaan yung bumili ako yung parang paglalagyan ko ng fruits. Tapos, meron pa akong bowl na binili. Ayan, dito. Bumili ako ng bowl para sa chips. Ayan, mga chips. And, bumili ako ng extra. Kasi alam ko dun kung sa magpa-party si Holly, meron naman na ganito sila. Pero just in case, ayan, mga chips na dadalhin. And cornflakes. Kasi parang gusto kong gumawa. We'll see. If my time, gagawa ko na yung may honey and butter. For my time. Then bread. Fairy bread. Hindi na ako gagawin ng fairy bread kasi ang dami na nilang we'll see. May mga sprinkles. na bread, na butter. Gustong-gusto yan ng mga bata dito. Pag may party, laging may ganyan. So, yan lang naman yung binili natin and yung cake nga ni Holly. So, pagbalik ni Holly, gagawin namin yung kanyang party bag. So, kararating lang nila, tatanggalin ni Holly kasi ang dinner namin ay pizza.
I got the pumpkin one.
Pumpkin?
Pumpkin place, I reckon it's good.
Okay, we're gonna try that one.
I said that all up, Mum, but
I didn't have cows.
This is the Kiransky?
Crunchy bars.
Kiransky bites.
Yes.
that's
What's that one? Calzone.
That's one.
Si Kuya.
mine.
Guys, pasensya na kung lagi nyo nakikita mga bata, wala
Are
talagang,
you still gonna vlog?
walang damit. Ano ba this? Is this the
Oh,
pumpkin
that's
one?
rocket.
Yeah, it's good.
That's rocket.
Is that the pumpkin, huh? Which one? This one is the pumpkin.
mine.
And this is Holly chicken. I can give you some, Baba. Wash your hands. Ano? How's the pumpkin?
I think I'll get it again.
Pumpkin kasi ito naging vegetarian ang husband. How do you feel, Han? How's your feeling?
Oh,
Still
better, but
better? But this one is
no,
not.
but
That's not good.
no, it's a good one.
Si Dino pa may kasalanan. Ito kay Holly. Mag-start na po siya maglagay ng mga lollies.
Yeah, and here's all the party bags. I set it up. And let's do the first party bag. So we got our lolly bag. Right here. Ah, party bag.
I think you need another one for yourself.
Yep. Okay, so the first one we are gonna be doing.
Alright.
This
Tapos naman hindi naubos ni Kuya.
We're gonna do the Mentos. I don't know how much is in here. How much should we give them?
No, not one. I thought
That's
3 or 5.
I need to tell them what they are.
It's alright. Just grab.
It's a mango taro.
Mango taro.
Yeah, it's like also the peach flavor as well.
Okay.
I'll just get some. You can help me as well, please.
Huh?
Help me as well, please.
Okay.
First party bag. Are we gonna put like names on them?
No.
So they just go.
Yeah, you can put 5 of this.
So it's a mix, mango and peach.
Taro.
Mango, peach. Oh no, this is
Taro.
mango and taro.
Yeah.
So 1, 2,
Can you grab other,
3.
the other lollies?
Oh yeah. Next we also have these TNT Mega Sour Poppy Dip. And there's all different flavors. But we also got more because there was a new
Okay, I'm just gonna do it for you. For me, can you get Caesar Baba, please?
We also, can I tell them what these are?
Yeah,
These aren't for them because they're like really sticky gooey stuff.
that's for you.
It's like, yeah, it's for me, and it's peelers, and it apparently it should taste like what it is.
What's orange? Is it?
Oranges.
Yeah.
Oh,
You can't see it, Baba. Can I have one?
yeah.
Too soft. Like gelatin.
I think you're supposed to peel them. That's
No.
that's why they're called peelers.
Uh,
They're good, right?
okay.
Masarap. One for each.
Yeah. Put Mentos for that one.
And they're all different flavors. We've got these little cute things. They're not lollies. They're obviously textures, like highlighters.
Yeah.
We got unicorns ones, robots ones. These lollies. It's the lollipop on the top. It fizzes that bit, which they're my favourite ones. Like lollipops. It's chocolate choppers. Here's the first one.
Okay. Okay. That's ready.
this mix of these fizzes. Yeah, we got the mix. Just like regular Mentoses with all the flavors. We have
That one.
jelly straws.
Alright.
I want to try one of these now. I'm going to try one. Can you pass me this, please? I've been waiting. These are the sour ones. This one.
Gusto niyo talagang
they
i-vlog
want
to.
blueberry. Okay. Extreme sour.
Oh, it's...
Come on, guys.
No, it's gonna be... It's gonna be... sticky. Ang tayo, umubo pa rin tayo. Si Jan natulog na guys kasi may work pa siya bukas. Okay. Okay.
They're not sour.
Okay, where's the other lollies? Just bring the lollies out. Oh. Oh yeah, we're gonna pop this later.
Oh, I don't mind.
Oh yeah, you have to put that one too. Ang daming lollies talaga. Sige, isa pa nito sila.
Guys, we got more. We got 11.
Parang ikaw lang yung social ang
Where's
ang
Family?
lagay ng ang
Oh,
laman ng lolly. Oh my god, throat. Loot bags. Kasi usually ang mga nakukuha nilang ganito.
Okay. We got one
Tapos
here.
yung ibang lollies hindi ganitong mga
One
branded.
here.
Yung mix siya.
Oh my god, guys, I'm really excited because my party is tomorrow.
Okay, here.
Oh, guys, they're different bags. They're Saga Boys.
Why?
What?
Oh, there's none?
No.
It's 20.
Yeah, but they're different. I think we ordered
Oh,
different.
that's for you, I think.
This one?
Yeah, because so the rest will be the same. So that's
No,
for
there's still these.
It's alright. Okay. Hurry up because I have to do a lot of stuff. I have to do not a lot. I'm just gonna prepare all your stuff for
I just
tomorrow.
did their home one.
Huh?
I think I just can do everything else off the video.
Okay, so
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
yeah, so we're just gonna put all this.
Yeah.
Okay.
See you tomorrow, guys.
There's nothing there. It's no more.
There's these as well.
Okay.
And there's another one
Alright.
of these. And this for myself as well.
Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's hurry up.
Two bags left, guys.
One bag because the other one is yours.
Oh yeah, one bag left, guys. Look how much we packed already.
We're just gonna put the stickers. Again.
Yeah. Got a straw. Sherbet.
This one.
Yep.
And then the chocolate.
Chocolatto.
Okay. Done?
We got this as well.
Okay.
I need one of the
Chupa Chups.
Chupa Chups. I always get confused with that.
Okay. So,
And
ito yung mga ilalagay natin stickers.
I'm just gonna give them this.
Alright.
I'm gonna get the one.
Alright. Alright. So, dadagdagan niya ng jelly yung bag kasi madaming tira. So, tigdadalawa na. Tigdadalawang jelly. I hope it's enough. Is it enough?
Wait.
Oh, yeah.
That's the empty.
Oh. Alright.
It's gonna be one with none.
Okay. It's alright. Ito lahat ng stickers, tiga-anim sila. And the rest kay Holly kasi hindi na kasyam na lagyan ko pa na tigi-isa. Hindi na magiging pantay. Kaya tig-6 lang sila. So, keep that one for yourself.
Your boys?
Okay. Ang cute din ng mga characters
Yeah,
na
no,
to.
guys. These are so. How do you say cute in Philippines? I'm trying to think of it.
Ayan, alright. This is Mira.
What one?
Mira.
Show me. Yeah, that's mirror. What's that one?
I'm not sure. Maybe that's for that one.
These two are mystery soldier boys. Another mirror.
Nilalagay nyo na dyan sa bag na yan. Ayan ako, magpapump ako nito. Pump ko na to. Madaming bawal doon na doon sa room kung saan siya mag-celebrate. Bawal mag-stick ng mga balloons. Huh?
Where's the other balloons?
I don't think so. We're gonna use that one, Baba.
No, that's the other ones, like the small ones. The easy ones to pump up. Not this one, like the small one.
Yeah, but the lady said we're not allowed to stick any balloons.
But why can't you just put them on the floor?
I said, it's gonna be messy, Baba, and then you're gonna be outside. So this one, it's okay.
I'm just gonna probably take like 1,000
It's
hours.
gonna take me forever. Okay pa naman ito. Gawin ko na ito ngayon kasi bukas maaga ako doon. Hindi naman maaga. Kasi 11. So, pwede akong pumunta doon mga 10. Kaya ko ito.
It's working.
Yeah, wala na.
Mom,
I think
it's
this is
gonna
enough.
pop.
Yeah, that's enough. No.
Are you gonna tie it?
No, we're just gonna set it up on the table.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah. Is it like this?
9 years old.
That's right, yeah. Like
Look
that?
at my new purse, guys.
Come on, Mama. Careful with this one.
Come on, what about this?
Oh my gosh. What is it? Alright. So, what are you?
Because I